Behind these doors, every gram is tracked and every second is temperature controlled. Every movement is monitored because control is everything.
This isn't chaos, it's a guided route.
Then the conveyor moves them, slowly, steadily, silently.
Every detail is observed because size means risk.
Weight is recorded because the process is measured.
Giant bears enter, calm, monitored, and fully controlled. The factory is a maze built for controlled flow. Clean fur matters because the next zones are sterile.
Foam breaks down dirt without stressing the animal.
Soft brush rushes do the work. Steady, repeatable, controlled.
Even paws are cleaned because floors carry contamination.
A health check because control begins with stability. Drying comes next because moisture can break hygiene rules.
Noise is reduced. Calm animals mean safe handling.
A 3D scan logs size and shape, like inventory.
And beyond this door, we don't show what happens.
We cut away here because the next step is off camera.
No chaos, just controlled movement through the line.
Rinse clears residue. Nothing is left behind.
And we jump straight to the processing line.
Raw material arrives sealed, so the line stays sterile. Trimming removes uneven edges. Uniformity starts here. Precision slicing. Every steak must match the spec. A controlled rinse clears residue. Nothing chaotic. Too much fat changes texture, so it's controlled.
Here at the facility, precision is paramount. Our automated systems ensure every cut of bear meat meets the highest standards of quality and hygiene.
Spacing matters. Airflow keeps the line safe.
Now it's product. Chilled, trimmed, and strictly controlled.
The cold room keeps texture stable and risk low. A silent step, but it protects everything. Now the line shapes it. Identical pieces, non-stop. Rapid chilling is protection, not just a step. Cooling locks texture and stops time from working against it.
Now oxygen gets removed, freshness gets locked in.
Micro leaks are caught immediately.
One final check, then the story takes a darker turn.